In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to gift money in Steam. By the end, you'll know exactly how to send a digital Steam gift card to a friend, from finding the right page to completing payment with confidence. Start by opening the Steam client on your computer, or visit the Steam store in your browser, and log into your account. Make sure you're using the official Steam app or website for security. Once you're in the store, use the search bar to look for Steam gift cards, or navigate directly to the digital gift cards page. This is where Steam handles wallet credit gifts, which your friend can spend on games, DLC, or in-game items. On the digital gift cards page, choose the amount you want to send. Steam typically offers fixed denominations like $5, $10, $20, $25, $50, or $100. Pick the amount that fits your budget and your recipient's needs, then click Send a digital Steam gift card to continue. A quick tip here, the currency is tied to your region and your friend's region, so choose an amount you know will work for them. The gift adds funds directly to their Steam wallet. It's not a code and can't be split across multiple recipients. Next, select who you want to receive the gift. Steam will show your friends list, and you'll need to be friends with the person for at least 3 days to send a digital gift card. If you've just added them, give it a little time. Carefully confirm you're picking the right friend. Check their display name and avatar if needed. You can add a short, personalized message or a simple signature. This makes the gift feel more personal and also helps the recipient know it's genuinely from you. When you're happy with the message, click Continue. You'll now see the payment page. Review all the details: recipient, amount, and any message before you finalize. Choose your preferred payment method, such as a credit card or PayPal, and follow the prompts. Depending on your bank, you might be asked to verify the purchase. Once the payment is confirmed, the gift is delivered instantly to your friend's Steam wallet. They'll get a notification on Steam and can use the funds right away. If you want peace of mind, you can check your purchase confirmation in your email or your Steam purchase history. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.